In this problem, we have a soda acid fire extinguisher making carbon dioxide, and I give you the unbalanced chemical reaction for this. We have sodium bicarbonate reacting with sulfuric acid to produce sodium sulfate, water, and carbon dioxide gas. So we can balance this by first balancing our sodium, because we have 2 on the right hand side of the arrow, we're going to need 2. And since we've changed the number of hydrogen, now we can put a 2 in front of water to balance out our hydrogen. Okay, but now also what's changed is also our carbon, so we'll put a 2 in front of carbon dioxide to balance this. And I provide for you the molar masses in grams per mole, so all of these molar masses are in grams per mole. The first question says, how many mils of sulfuric acid is needed to produce 10 grams of carbon dioxide? So we're interested in the amount of we're interested in the amount of sulfuric acid, the mils of sulfuric acid, given that we have 10 grams of carbon dioxide. So let's start off with the given, which is 10 grams of carbon dioxide. If we convert that to moles and then use the mole to mole ratio from carbon dioxide to sulfuric acid, we can get the moles of sulfuric acid. So let's divide by the molar mass. And if we look at the balanced chemical reaction, the mole to mole ratio from carbon dioxide to sulfuric acid is 2 to 1. And from our moles of sulfuric acid, we can get to volume using our molarity. Okay, but our question wants it in milliliters, so there's 10 to the negative 3 liters in 1 milliliter. So our mils of sulfuric acid needed is 45.4 mils. In the next part of the question, how many mils of sulfuric acid are needed to react with that many units of sodium bicarbonate? So again, we're going to start off with the given, which is our units of sodium bicarbonate. And whenever we want to go from units to moles, we use Avogadro's number. And the mole to mole ratio from sodium bicarbonate to sulfuric acid, if you look at your balanced chemical reaction, is 2 moles for every 1 mole of sulfuric acid. And from moles, we can get to volume using molarity. And so the volume of sulfuric acid that we're going to need is 4.45 times 10 to the 8th mils.